Welcome to the introduction to the guideline on material flow analysis, a guideline created for the European project iPRODUCE. First of all, a quick presentation of the methodology and its main interests and benefits. Worldwide population growth in the past centuries has led to a significant increase of impacts associated to human activities, either through the use of natural resources or the emissions of harmful substances to the ecosystems. Specific tools are required to help optimize the consumption of resources and manage production wastes. And material flow analysis, also called MFA, is one of these tools. In a nutshell, material flow analysis is a methodology created to assess the flows and stocks of one or several materials within a system that is defined in space and time. It can be performed at the level of a company to identify where material use can be optimized over a whole production process or to improve waste management. It can also be used at the scale of the whole region to monitor the emissions of pollutants and their impacts on the ecosystems. Now I will present the objectives of the guideline and the targeted users. This guideline is mostly targeted to engineers and managers in order for them to understand the benefits of MFA methodology, to learn MFA process step by step, to identify the relevance of different types of MFA, their applications and uses, and to learn how to use MFA results for process optimization and link them together with other tools and methodologies. We'll now present the content of the guide. We'll first define what is material flow analysis, as well as its main applications and benefits. We'll then go through the step-by-step process to perform a full MFA study, describing the main types of information required at each step. And finally, we'll explain how MFA results can be used with several examples of different applications. Finally, let's explain how to use the guide. First, make a full reading of the guide and establish your goals and expectative. Then read carefully Chapter 2 on the practical implementation of MFA. Then, depending on your needs, identify the type of MFA you should perform, for example, substance or material flow analysis. Then identify the level at which it should be done, so at process level, at the company level, or the geographical region level. And finally, assess the resource available within your company and, if needed, connect with an expert or a consulting firm. Once all the previous steps are done, you will need to refine the scope of your evaluation and define the system. Then perform the MFA by yourself or with help of an expert. Once finished, use the result to identify possible improvement strategies and, if relevant, link the result together with a specific LCA or an eco-design process. Thank you for your attention. We hope that you will find this guideline useful.